Hi guys, my name is Maverick. I'm going to be running through the top 5 things that I hate about my Toyota 4Runner. Number 1 for me is definitely got to be the cup holders in the Toyota 4Runner. They're made of plastic and they pull out from the dash. They're very, very weak. I broke mine already. You put any sort of large cup in there and it snaps the holders for them right away. In 2000 to 2002, they did put cup holders in the center console to alleviate this problem. So number 2 for me is definitely got to be the oil filter location. Every time you go to pull off that oil filter, any residual oil in that oil filter is going to fall and land on all your steering and suspension components and just makes a total mess of everything. So number 3 is definitely got to be the cruise control in these 3rd gen 4Runners. Every time I'm running down the freeway at about 70 to 75 miles an hour, it'll stick at 3,500 RPM and stay in the same gear the entire time trying to hold that speed. I just wish they would have done something to the gearing or the transmission to keep it better on the freeway. So number 4 on the list has definitely got to be the brakes on these 3rd gen 4Runners. They're absolutely terrible for on the road. Every time you're in like an emergency situation and you slam on your brakes, you're going to be pulled to the left or to the right, and that can be very sketchy for people who don't know that that's a problem. If you guys like this video, make sure that thumbs up button and subscribe down below. I have more videos coming out on this 4Runner very soon.